Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Eggs and milk are the essential components of the custard base that gives French toast its tender richness, but get their ratio off and you'll wind up with undercooked slices that have an unpleasantly savory, scrambled eggs flavor.
Take our lead.
Brioche. The top 3 choices of bread to use for French toast are brioche, French baguette, and challah. All of these options will yield a wonderful French toast, but we have to give the most stars to brioche.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The bread has to soak in the egg mixture. You want it to penetrate the bread for a soft, custardy center. This requires some firm yet gentle pressure, and let the bread soak for at least 15 to 20 minutes.
Make your mark, take our lead.
What's the best amount of ingredients for perfect French toast? I've found that the very best ratio of eggs, milk is 4 eggs for 1 cup of milk. This gives you excellent, rich and delicious French toast and works excellent with most types of bread.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Portion sizes: use 2 eggs to make an omelette for 1 serving, 4 eggs to make an omelette for 2. Never make an omelette with more than 5 eggs. If you are serving 4 people, make 2 omelettes back to back.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The way French toast originated is that it was a way to use up day-old bread. But it also turns out that slightly stale bread is actually the best for making French toast because stale bread absorbs more of the egg mixture than fresh bread will.
Let's help you make your mark.
Oven drying of cut slices, super lightly toasting it, works best of all, but in a pinch, you could also cut the bread the night before and let it sit on a cooling rack until morning, or simply lightly toast in the toaster. The key is to dry the outside while leaving the inside moist.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.